Because she tell me say I'm here in the shop. She never tell me something I have no supervisor.
Listen to me, Ricardo. Let me tell you something.
Please stop calling me Ricardo. My name is Ricardo.
Alright, Ricardo. Anyways, as me was saying, when you go to school?
Next week.
So you know how this run, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you how it goes. You see, when you in your cell, you see another mistake them when you make, when you leave next week and my turn, I mean, go fix all of them. Okay, Ricardo?
Alright, Miss Potts.
Okay, so first of all, I just say go wrong. That miss something there, no miss not on my name. Me a young green girl, look on my body. As a matter of fact, don't look on my body because I can't fuck with that jam.
What that supposed to mean?
It mean you can't shoot me with the pussy eye them. Okay, I them pussy. I don't make me know. It's a pussy eye mean. Pussy fingers.
Wait, a thief you call me?
You little brat. I think you can't teach nothing over there. I know that we have to talk about. Me, I talk about how the shop around.
What do you mean? How the shop around?
First of all, look over that song. Excuse me. Why I only have one shrimp ramen, right? That's so.
Miss Patsy, we don't sell ramen. We sell bug noodle and a one shrimp we get.
Hold on, so you're going to use your pretty item and tell me, say, you don't say top ramen, right? That's so. Eh? Wait, name. Ramen.
Bug noodle.
I mean, don't you know? You know, too early. It's so too early. There's something in ramen. The point is, make sure it's another just one the right store. Because other people are going to shrimp store. Next thing, look up the store. You still want Arizona?
Yes.
Okay. So make me ask you a question now. Why when I said Arizona, you don't bring forward that one the right? Let's talk about put it so you can come at the front so everything can even out and look properly. Oh, your post item can't start now. Okay. What do I say to this now? Excuse me, come on,
because the goods them just come.
Oh. So you would think so because the goods them just come, you just free them enough stuff? No sir, that's not how it works. Next thing, one egg missing. Are you take out the egg?
I sell the egg.
So we no that make it worse. You sell one egg?
Yes. The person they want one egg. What you want to do?
Who sit down and eat one egg? You ever sit down and eat one egg yet?
Yes.
Me can't sit down and eat one egg. I ask you a question. You did sell frankfurter with the egg?
No.
Oh, see that's your problem. You said anytime I said egg, I said it with frankfurter, bread, look at tea, and orange juice.
Me can't sell the people them what they don't want.
Well say, me sell them though. Me sell them. You never come here sir, and say one egg missing.
Just scam the people them.
Well say, me a scammer? Well say, make shut the line. I don't say taco to nice cream out.
Alright, probably me use the wrong word. But me can't sell the people them what them don't want.
What you mean? Hello. It is called customer service. The man never tell you about back then when they used to prepare the things them. I'm telling you how this works. You see them want egg go with sachets. Sachets go with bread. Bread go with tea. Tea go with sugar. And you know what else go with tea? Orange juice. I can learn my quick and fast.
You don't wait for the box.
At school they know. At school they try to get an education. So you just have to put on the orange juice now. You know back them out. Try back them out. 1 pound, 2 pound, 3 pound, and 4 pound bags.
3 pound rice they sell, but alright.
You don't sell 3 pound rice? So don't bag it so. Don't bag out the 3 pound rice so you can happen.
Miss Patsy, where you want from?
More I put bag out the rice. I'm a few minutes. Yeah, go and bag out the rice.
Alright.
I mean, come for
Yeah.
Me. Patsy.
Yes, Ricardo.
If anybody forward, you can serve them for me, please, because I'm going to use the watch.
Okay, sir. But cyclical the base out here, right? Oh, and make sure to say you use the air freshener wash your hand when you're done with the bathroom. You hear?